signal here, right? So let's say this is the input signal. We set the trigger so we don't move it anymore, more or less. Yeah, let's say like this. So then you click the FFT. Then the source 1, so it's for the yellow, is fine. Then the signal is at 200 Hertz, so the center of the spectrum should be, I don't know, you can make it 400, for example, if you want 200 Hertz here, then the center should be 200 Hertz. Let's start with that, maybe it's easier. So then I change it here, 200 Hertz. Sorry, wrong direction. So here we go down to 200. Okay, minimum is 1 kilo. Okay, so the middle will be 1 kilo. Now the point is that we have to reduce the span. The span is this one here. So if this one is 1 kilo, it makes sense to make this one 2 kilo. So it's kind of cover all the. So we go down to 2 kilo. Yeah. So now the spectrum cover all, and here is your signal. If this one is 1 kilo and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square, then 1 square will be 1 kilo divided by 5, so this one is 200. And then if you want, usually the sinusoidal signal must have a line, not something like this. The reason is that this one is not a sinusoidal signal. This is part of a sinusoidal signal. So you will have an ideal spectrum the more period you get. So if we do like this, you will see it becomes more spiky. You see the spectrum become more like a line because the signal yellow become more like a sinusoidal signal. So now you have the line that you want, and if you want to change the amplitude, you change with this to make it a little bit more pointy. And you can choose the scale millivolt. You can also change it in dB. Let me see, setting. This one, vertical, make in dB. This one, dB, usually is used when you want to see also the noise, and you can compare easily. But if you want just see the peak, then the VRMS is better because you just focus on the peak in voltage. Yeah.